Like people, dogs come in all shapes and sizes, and that doesn't mean every size is ideal. Today's question for our pet vet on call: my 8-month-old boxer seems to be on the smaller side than my last boxer. Is there some kind of food I can give her to make sure she grows properly and still remains healthy?
Well, at 8 months old, she's pretty well full grown except for filling out a little bit. So worrying about proper puppy nutrition is a little too late now. Good nutrition is still good and important, but it's a little too late to worry about that now. Now, having said that, I'm sure you fed her well, and the size of the dog, the difference in the size of a dog within the same breed is very seldom due to nutrition. It's actually due to familial genes, just like people. Some are tall and some of us are short, so there's probably not much you're going to do about changing that.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. By the way, you can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Now let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen, appropriately enough, this young male boxer mix. The society says he's loose and wiggly, comes when called, and loves to snuggle. His name is Salt. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this male kitten. They say he's affectionate, loves to play and explore. His name is Rocket. It's kind of a rough similarity between these two as far as their coloration. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? Lots of great ones.